Welcome to Serial Code, where coding comes in crunchy, bite-sized lessons. Today, we are starting our Java journey, and yes, Java is also coffee, but the only thing jittery here will be our first compile errors. By the end of this video, you'll have Java installed, IntelliJ running, and your very first program saying hello to the world. So let's pour ourselves a fresh bowl of code and dig in. Alright, before we install Java and get coding, here's the absolute minimum you need to know. Java is the most used programming language in the world, and it's been around since 1995. Yeah, that means that it's older than Google and probably some of you watching right now. Now, here's the cool part. Java's big slogan is write once, run anywhere. Basically, once you've got Java, it doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even your grandma's toaster, it'll run. But how does it pull off this magic trick? Well, when you write Java, it gets compiled into something called bytecode. Don't panic, we don't have to write bytecode ourselves, thank God. The bytecode is platform independent, which means any machine with a JVM, that's Java Virtual Machine, can run it. And that's it, Java in a very tiny nutshell. Let's install IntelliJ. First we'll download the JetBrains toolbox. I'll do this because this way you can have multiple versions of IntelliJ on your computer, and that can be very helpful. I'll put the link in the description. Hit download. Open it once it's installed and hit install. And there it is. From the list, we are searching for the community edition of IntelliJ because it's free. And I like free. There it is. Install. Make sure that the version you are downloading is at least from 2025. And you open it just by clicking it. And there we go. IDE installed. Okay, this is the welcome screen. Don't get intimidated by it because we only need to hit the new project button. And make sure that on the left side Java is selected and the name of our first project will be Hello World. Oh. Select a location where you want to store your projects. Mine is good right here. Build system we are going to use IntelliJ. We will talk about Maven in a later stadium. The JDK. I have JDK 25 installed, it's Java 25. As you might see, I have more because my projects are a bit older because I'm old, but I also program for a few years now. You want to select at least OpenJDK 25. So it should be somewhere here. Just click it and it will auto install when you hit create. For now, we don't want the sample code because we are going to write our code ourselves. And I think that's it for now. Yeah, just hit create. If the JDK is still installing, you will see a blue line over here. Just wait until it's finished and you are good to go. Here on the left side, you can see the project structure. There's not a lot of it now, but believe me, this is a very important place to be. For now, we are only going to make one file. Just select source, right mouse button, and click new Java class. We will call this main and hit enter. If the font size is too small for you, I have got a cure for that. Just click on the hamburger menu, and select settings, editor, general, and there's this option. You need to click it so it's selected and hit OK. And now you'll be able to scroll when you hold down Ctrl and scroll. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. Before we can do anything in a Java program, it needs to know where to start. In Java, this is the main. In a Java program, there can be only one main. And this is the place. For now, just type along with me. It's too soon to explain everything what we are going to type in here. Just believe me, just follow along. This will be public, static, void, main, parentheses, string, straight brackets, and args, like you reported, arg. Followed by curly braces and hit enter. Now we are going to type system with a capital S. If you don't use the capital, it won't work. System.out.println double quotes, hello, world. There are several ways to start a Java program, and right now we will run it by clicking this big green play button. It will take a second, but it says it here. It says hello world. Congrats, you're now a member of the secret society of developers who said hello to the planet instead of their moms. Sorry, mom. But instead of saying hello to the planet, we can also say hello to our mom. We just need to change world to mom. And we can play program also by hitting this play button. Just run main.main. And now it'll say hello mom. Nifty, right? But typing out system out print line, this whole line, this system.out.print line, yada yada yada. It's a bit of a drag, but there's a shortcut. Just type SOUT, SOUT, and hit tab. And there it is. Cheat code. Okay, homework time. Change your code so it prints something different. Be creative and post them in the comments. I'll feature the funniest ones in a future video. To sum it up for today, what did we learn? What is Java in a nutshell? How to install IntelliJ along with a JDK, and how to write and run a Java program. Very nice. That's a lot for our first lesson. And next time we are diving into primitive types of variables, the ingredients of every Java recipe. So that's your bite for today. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and give me feedback in the comments. Stay crunchy, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.